it's also helpful if you have a, if you could put your bike on a center stand, that would really help, but I'm gonna have to roll it like a hobo. Yo, what's up guys, we are back at it, and we just made it back from a 7,000 mile cross-country road trip on the Kawasaki Z900 RS Cafe, and my chain is all types of mucked up. Throughout the trip, I did lube the chain, but I never had space for my chain cleaner or proper thorough cleaning. So now that we made it back, let's clean up this chain here. We've got chain cleaner, brush, both ends, chain lube, spray bottle, bucket, water, microfiber cloths. First things first, we're gonna clean it off, and then every now and then I'll just dip the brush and we'll clean it off in the water. Let's get some. Now we're gonna use just a cloth behind it, so that way we catch like the overspray. If you have gloves, even better. And it's also helpful if you have a, if you could put your bike on a center stand, that would really help, but I'm gonna have to roll it like a hobo. You can see all the nasty versus the clean already. Get both sides. Every now and then we'll wipe that off. So now that the chain's clean, we're just gonna use some water, get off the excess, we're gonna dry it off, and then we'll put the chain lube on there. Make sure to get all sides of it there. Now that we got it all cleaned up, muck's all off, all the nasty junk, sprayed it off with the water. Last step, let's lube it up. This chain guard lube is really nice because it's not too liquidy, it's kind of viscous, so it doesn't spray everywhere like some of them that are more liquidy. This one, it's almost like a foam. I'll show you here. You see, it's more like a foam. I like this one a lot better than the liquidy one. Same thing, we're gonna roll it everywhere. All right, so we have got it all cleaned. We got it all brushed off. We got it all sprayed off. And we got it all lubed up. I'll put a link down below for all these goodies. And keep that chain nice and clean and healthy. Let's get it, bye-bye.